How fast do crabapple trees grow? Crabapple trees are popular ornamental trees because of their easy maintenance and visual appeal throughout the seasons, according to Colorado State University Extension. These North American natives bloom in April or May and then develop small, colorful fruit in the fall or winter months. Annual growth. Crabapple trees grow 8 to 10 inches per year, according to Clemson University Extension. This varies depending on the species. Maturity. Crabapple trees are small or medium in size, depending on their variety. Tall varieties such as the Dolgo reach a 25-foot height at maturity, but most varieties attain a final height of only 12 to 20 feet. Smaller, dwarf versions reach 4 to 10 feet in height and may even be placed in containers. Considerations. Crabapple trees need full sun and moist, well-drained, acidic soil. Annual pruning and fertilization is necessary as well, although excessive fertilization increases susceptibility to diseases such as fire blight. Poor growing conditions may affect both the growth rate and the mature size reached by the crabapple tree.